behind me is a little devil, so that might stop me from sleeping. These babies might be useful tonight. I was hoping these noise cancelling Bose headphones would work. They work a little bit, but not that much. Hey, we're going for breakfast now. Send me some pictures of our son and you when you can. I'll speak to you later. So when in Black Forest? Let's eat some Black Forest cake. So here we are at, they tell me it's called TTC. I think it's like TT in the sea, but whatever. But the lake here is fabulous. It would be cool if the guys, by which I mean my wife and my son, were here. Next year, or half a year later. So our trip to Germany has come to an end, and no, I've really enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to going home to see my family, so I'm a little excited. So tonight I'm looking forward to a good night's rest. There's a big chance that that might not happen, not because the seats are uncomfortable. The seats are actually more spacious than the Swiss Air seats. But behind me is a little devil, so that might stop me from sleeping. She might stop me from sleeping. Let's hope not. I wasn't going to film the flight back because there's not much privacy. What you're seeing now would have been the point of view of the guy sat next to me. So whatever I film, whatever I do, it's hard to avoid filming him and to avoid interrupting his privacy and sleep. Because he's been scared away, I can film the whole flight from takeoff to landing without bothering anyone. It's not a bad thing, but let's hope it's going to quieten down and we get some sleep. Fingers crossed. Everyone go to sleep. Everyone, please. The toiletries bag is quite cute, and since my partner's left, I have two. For a vanity kit bag that's this big, the contents are a bit scarce, a little disappointing. Toothbrush, moisturizer, socks. These babies might be useful tonight. Let's hope I don't need them. You don't often get slippers, so these are pretty nifty. They even have pajamas. It's pretty good service. I was hoping these noise cancelling Bose headphones would work. They work a little bit, but not that much. I can still hear a lot of baby crying. It's time to try out the seat. How flat does it recline? I'm trying to get comfy. There's actually quite a nice padding on the seat, which makes it probably a little more comfy than Cathay. Not bad. had no time to edit whilst in Germany. This would have been last week's vlog, and it was uploaded super late because I didn't arrive in Hong Kong until 5 o'clock. By the time I got home it was already 7. So the vlogs are getting more random in their upload times, but then that can't be helped because work is getting really busy. I know you understand, so yeah, just bear with us because work is busy, family life is busy. It's all very happy busy, but nonetheless very, very busy. Finally done, in between my 5 naps. Editing on a plane is quite tiring. You can't see what you're doing, you keep on falling asleep, but no worries, it's all been finished now. Wish you all a happy weekend. I'll see you next week.